Hello everyone, I am Jala. Welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, I am gonna speak about somebody, someone, something, somewhere, and anybody, anything, anyone, anywhere. They are derived from some and any. So let's begin. Somebody, something, someone, these are pronouns. They are indefinite pronouns. When we say somebody, we mean a person. He or she, it doesn't matter. Someone is the same as somebody. They are both used for persons. For example, someone is knocking at the door, but I don't know who she is or he is. When we say someone or somebody, we speak about persons. But when we say something, we speak about things, objects. But when we say somewhere, we mean a place. Let's go somewhere. I feel a little bit depressed. We use something, someone, somebody, somewhere in positive sentences. I see someone at the door. But we use anybody, anyone, anything, anywhere in negative and question sentences. I can't see anybody at the door. We say, I have something to give you. But we say, I don't have anything to give you. Do you have anything to give me? We have some difficulties and we have to ask someone to help us. We don't have to ask anyone to help us. Do we have to ask anyone to help us? Someone, somebody, something, anybody, anything are singular. So we use is, was, has, does for these pronouns. We don't say someone are coming. We say someone is coming. Someone wants to speak to you is not correct, but we say someone wants to speak to you. There were someone in the room is not correct, but we say there was someone in the room. We can also use adjectives with something, anything. For example, there's something interesting on TV. Let's watch. I can't see anything difficult at this work. You must have something important to tell me. Do you see anything dangerous here? So we use someone, something, anybody, anything when we talk about things or persons that we don't know exactly. We don't know who she is or he is. We don't know what it is. Pay attention to these sentences. We say, someone has lost their umbrella. We don't say, someone has lost his or her umbrella. If anyone wants to talk to me, they can. We don't say, he or she can. So they, there can replace someone, somebody, anyone, anybody. We use anybody, anyone, anything, anywhere if the sentence begins with if. If anyone wants help, I can do it. If anything happens, please call me. We don't generally say someone book, anyone keys, but we can say someone's books, anyone's keys. I found someone's keys on the floor. I need somebody's help. I don't need anybody's help. So I hope you learned something and enjoyed the lesson. See you next time.